Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perkiperkins. On my channel, I do a lot of unboxings, skincare and makeup tutorials, and I also do product reviews along the way. So today I'm really excited because I just received my January 2021 Boxycharm base box, and I will be doing a try on along with, of course, showing you guys what I received. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month in my paid subscription for Boxycharm, make sure you guys keep on watching. But before I go any further, don't forget, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, select all in your notifications. This way YouTube notifies you the moment I do any uploads. And I would greatly appreciate if you guys do end up loving my video, you guys gave me a big old thumbs up. But let's get to it and let's start talking about Boxycharm. And let's go. So as I mentioned, I just received my January's Boxycharm base box and I'm pretty excited. This again is the box I pay for, which is $25 per month, and in the base box we are stated to get 5 full-size items with a minimum retail value of $125 per box. Though in all honesty, for Boxycharm we tend to get way more than $125. They usually average between $150 to $175. Though I would like to note that I do have an affiliate link if you would like to join Boxycharm, so I will have that link down below. I'm pretty excited for my box. Now, I do apologize if I'm a little bit on the slow side. I've been injured for the last 2 weeks, so I'm still in a little bit of pain at this moment as I'm filming this video, but I couldn't wait any longer. Like, I've actually had my paid base box for 2 days. I'm actually still waiting on my PR boxes as good old FedEx has misplaced them once again, so what are you gonna do? So I think at this point I've talked way too much, so let's open up our base box. Again, I have a pretty bare face. I've just done my skincare and my brows, but I need at least a little bit of makeup today because I feel like the Walking Dead. I do. So this is how our base box comes every month. We have the classic red packaging and a little peek there. Let me put her down. So this month's theme for Boxycharm is Fresh Start. They started doing new numbers, which is this long old code. So I'll put the code on the screen. So the first item I received is the Pure Cosmetics, right there. This is the Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I love Pure Cosmetics 4-in-1 series, like the finishing powder, the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. They're some of my favorites, and this retails for $35. According to this, the description says a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and foundation. Oh, so it has primer in it. It says with SPF 20, that's part of the effortless beauty routine for an ultra looking complexion. So I had pulled out primer, but it sounds like I won't need it. So I will do as directed and not use a primer. So I'm even more excited because even like on simple light days like today, I want to have a little bit of something to, you know, just even out my skin tone, even if it's not perfect. So I'm very excited to give this a go. Ooh, this is cute. It's like Queen, but with the V Studio. Dragon Duo. The modern day Boss Babe approved inky black pigment with the semi-waterproof formula. Choose your look with the Dragon Duo. A dragon liquid liner for smudge-proof symmetry wings and a dragon pencil. Ooh, so there's 2 in here. This retails for $28. Now this I don't mind. Typically I'm not a big fan for liquid liners, but I'm at the point where I don't have any more I could use because they've all expired because I don't use them often. But I do like the fact that this duo came with the liquid and a pencil. That's actually a nice line, even though I didn't do it straight. So I like that, and it has the little ball. The next item I received was this beauty right here. I've seen so many open this lately, and I was hoping I would receive it because I love a good lip mask, especially prior to my makeup. Right here is from Saffron Botanicals, the Apple and Blum Glow Lip Mask. This retails for $25. And I'm definitely gonna pop this on right now because I desperately need it. Comes in this nice little tubey. It says it's a PETA, cruelty-free and vegan with a 12-month shelf life. So it's actually really good. And it does have a seal. This smells so nice. I should have picked another one up and pop up. I mean, add-ons. This smells so good. It definitely smells like candy apple, kind of. Good hydration prior to doing our face. Second to last item, I got the pharmacy right here. This is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner. I had loved the original one we received from Boxycharm about a year plus ago, almost a year and a half ago. I loved their toners. So I'm really excited that I received this. Actually, I was hoping I would receive the toner versus the moisturizer because I have so many. This is how the packaging looks like for the toner. This retails for $28 and it's ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin, which your girl has all of that. I'm combo dry leaning skin, but I'm also acne prone, especially as of late. And this has like kind of a glass material, so that's cool. It's like, you know, they didn't skimp out. Oh, and I like that it has kind of like a little stopper right there to make sure you don't, you know, leak everywhere. So that's cool. Has a nice kind of fresh scent to it. I'll definitely keep you guys updated as I use it to let you know how I like it. And last but not least, I received the Violet Voss palette. This is the Olive You Forever eyeshadow palette, which retails for $34. Let's open her up. And it has a 24-month shelf life. That's actually freaking incredible. So here's the packaging. It's a nice olive packaging. It does have a cute little mirror right there. It's perfectly fine. And let's take the sleeve out. And here are all the shades. So this is a pretty neutral palette. I honestly thought it would have a little bit more olive tones, but it's perfectly fine. Like I could still make it work. Like for me, these olives are calling me, so I'm really excited to test this out, though I am going to keep my look very, very simple today. So let's total everything up and see what our total retail value for the box was. So $150 total retail value is incredible, and I'm really excited to start using the items. So let me put this aside so we can start the makeup application. And so I'm gonna start off by using my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas as always. This is shade Fair. You only need very little and you can spread it around. So I'm going to start off with the eyeshadow palette because I haven't used this, so I don't know how the formula is going to be, and I don't know if I'm going to have fallout. So I'm going to start off with the shade Wink. I'm going to put it as like an all over shadow brush to kind of set my base. I want to darken up the outer crease area, but not go too dark. So I'm going to go into Endless Desire right here. So there is a little bit of kick up in the pan, just so you're aware. And lately, what I've been doing is I tap the eyeshadow just above my crease, so that way you can actually see the darker shade. Now I'm going back to Wink just to buff it out. This is Olive Glow and this is Olive Me. So I'm going to go into Olive Glow on the outer portion. Now I want to take this Olive You and put it towards the inner corner. I'm going to take this flat brush. All right, you guys, and I'm back. I'm pretty happy with everything so far that I've tried out. The lip mask felt so comfortable that when I went in with my bullet lipstick, it just glided on top with no issue. And then the eyeshadow palette applied very, very well. There was a little kick up in the pan, but to me, that's no big deal. I only care when the eyeshadow is like all over the place, you know what I mean? Like when it's a real mess. And then I'm actually really impressed with the Pure Form 1 tinted moisturizer. I did my normal steps that I would do if I used a tinted moisturizer or CC cream, because this is a light coverage. It's literally just meant to hydrate your skin and give you a little bit of sunscreen. And I went in, as you saw, with my Charlotte Tilbury, because it's the closest one to my skin tone that I currently have. And I just, you know, slightly dotted it. I didn't go overboard. But I did some spot concealing just a little bit, and then, you know, on other areas like you saw, and then I just lightly finished everything off with my travel size of the Form 1 mineral powder, and I think it did a beautiful job. I'm actually really happy with it. So I'm glad about that, because again, I'm always happy to get a complexion item. I love trying out new complexion items, and it feels so nice on the skin. But as you can see, it applied very, very beautifully. I'm really happy with it. I used the gel liner on my waterline, and so far so good. I used a different liner for the top of my lash band, but that's perfectly fine. But yeah, but so far I do like the pencil. It's a nice gel creamy pencil. I did have to warm it up a bit before I started applying, but again, I'm used to that and I prefer kind of like gel textured pencil liners personally. Pretty much all that I was able to try out today. So let me know in the comments below what you guys thought about my January's Boxycharm base box. Again, for me, I'm actually really happy with my box. Again, for $25 per month, I think it's a really great deal. You definitely get your money's worth, and you do get to customize one item out of every month. Now, I would like to note that I did make a spoiler video, just like a quick little 3-minute video a few days ago as a voiceover, so I'm gonna link it up in the card. So if you want to find out some major spoilers for premium, check out the video. Again, I'll have a link up in the cards and down in the description. And also, before I head out, I want to remind you guys I do have 2 current active giveaways, so I will also have those linked up in the top and down in the description. One is stated to end on the 20th, and the other one I think was the 29th or the 30th, I can't remember. So again, you guys, let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions on January's Boxycharm base box. Did you guys like my box? Did you guys like your box? What was your guys' favorite item, whether it's my box or your box? Before I head out, make sure you guys gave me a big ol' thumbs up if you guys made it this far, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and make sure you set those post notifications. This way, hopefully YouTube will notify you, as I know it's kind of iffy on days it decides to notify people. So but anyways, thank you all so much. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is that you're watching. And goodbye.